The basic tutorial of CSS. First of all, there are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. First, we show the example of inline CSS. I take one text box and write over here style background color. I take blue color. Now save this file. So I write this style code in same line of text box, then it is considered as a inline. Now we show we will get output blue color text box background. Now I write something, then it is display on black color. Now we give another effect of font. So I write over here color and write white color. Now I write, we will show the effect of white font color. We will give more than 2, more than 3, more than 4 effect, means multiple effect on this. Write only semicolon and write our another code. Now this inline CSS. Now we take the example of internal CSS. After then we are showing the advantage of inline, internal and external CSS. Now I take the text box. Now I write the code of CSS in this head tag, means in same page. In inline we are writing in same line. I take here dot. Dot is considered for class. Dot AB. In this class we attach over here class AB. Now save. Get this output, but currently also font color is black. Now we will give the font color effect, color white. Now here we are getting this effect. We can give over here multiple classes. I write over here CD, then this is the background color, font color. We can also use border color or whatever. Now I take another text box and change here class name CD. Now you can show this is the second text box with different class effect. So this is known as inline. We are writing here in same page, so it is known as internal. So it is known as internal. We are writing in same page, so it is known as internal. Now we are taking one example of external CSS, and now we check what is the meaning of dot, what is the meaning of hash, and what is the meaning of without dot, without hash. Now I take one text box and create one CSS file, new basic CSS. I save the CSS file, default.css. I create in class over here .ab, same code which we written in internal style sheet. But here we have to attach this file into this file, so you have to write over here tag in head tag. But you can call this style sheet from here class attach style sheet, default.c. Now it check that this line write automatically. Now you can see the old class and ID's name over here, which is written in default.cs. I select this AB. Now you can see fit over here. Now we create another class. We are taking this color, font color red. Now we can see this type of effect. So we are taking here three different type of CSS: inline, internal, external. Now we check the difference between class ID and not class not ID. It is known as tag. Now in this CSS we are writing over here as means ID. So currently you can show this effect will remove. So we are writing over here as, then we have to write over here ID. It is depends on ID. We have to change the ID of text box, and we have to write over here CD. So it is considered on our text box ID. So I write over here CD, then I have to write over here text box ID is CD. This is first work on ID. Now we are taking one effect without dot, so we are writing only body, no dot, no s, and write over here background color. So on which place, so wherever we are getting this tag body, it will provide automatically this effect. Where it see this body, then it will provide automatically this effect. You can see I am not writing over here ID, class, anything, but it is considered as a main tag. If I write over here input, and I provide here background color, remove this effect currently. Now we will check, it will give automatically this color because here is the input tag. So it is by default, it is considered as a input. Now what is the advantage? Consider if you have 100 page website, and in 100 page, in all page you have 10 text boxes, so you have 1000 text boxes. If you are using inline, then you have to write this line in 1000 line, in 1000 text box. If you are using internal, then you have to write only in 100 pages, because you have to define this once in one page. If you are using external CSS, then you have to change only once during your website. If your client say now I want to change the text box color, I don't like this text box color, then in inline CSS you have to change this in 1000 line. In internal you have to change only 100 pages, because it is written once in one page. And if you are using external CSS, then you have to change only this in one CSS file during the website. So external CSS is better. Thank you.